everyone, it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. So today, if you looked at the title, it's going to be a Project 10 pan intro. I'm planning on having this be like a year-long project pan and also a rolling project pan. If you don't know what that means, it means that whenever I finish something, I'm going to put something else in it. I'm not going to wait every month to say, and now I'm putting in such and such. I'm just going to put it in whenever that happens in the month, and then when there's an update, I'll tell you about it. Yeah, so I have 10 things since it is a Project 10 pan, and personally, I like it when there's a few things that are kind of easier than others, because then I have something to show for it and not just, look, I've made some more progress. Look, I've made some more progress, you know? So there's a few easies, there's a few hards. Let's just start. This is the Ordinary Mask. It is the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. And I am right above where it says the on the Ordinary. I'm right above there. I've had this for a while now, a couple of months. It's okay. I want to make myself use it more because it is supposed to be an exfoliating peel. Haha, I captured a cat. Oh my god, you're such a whiny baby. Yeah, you are. No, stay with me. Love me. Can you sit nice? No? No? You just, okay. Well. Ow, ow. Okay. The other thing, oh, no, yeah, okay, whatever. It's not in order, but it's close to me. So this is, I got this in a Sephora Play, I think. This is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volumist Spray Volume. I am, here, of course, I marked it with a purple Sharpie, so you can't really tell, but it's like right in between Miracle and Multiplying. Is where I am. It's 1.4 ounces, there's a lot, and I only spray this at the roots of my hair, like after I've washed it, so I used it today, but like, I don't know, it's taken a while to use up that little bit that I have, so we'll see how far it goes. Okay, I have in here, if you've seen this before, it's from my makeup baskets, which I have totally forgotten about, and I will do again, I just have forgotten, and the inside of here is a mess, and things are like coming off of their, that's not even sticky anymore. They're like sticky magnets. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just hold it up. So this is the Tarte Blush in Party that we got this summer from the birthday gift from Sephora. And you're not going to be able to see it. Yeah, you are. That tiny little speck that's shiny, that is the babyest hint of side pan, because apparently that's how my blush brush does things. I don't know. I really like this blush. I also have about like 6-7 other neutral blushes that, while they are all different, they're not like different enough that I think you'd really notice on the skin. So if I ever finish up all of those, I would probably buy this again if they still make it. I do really like it. I'm wearing it today. It's just like one of those barely there nudie blushes that you can go heavy-handed and have too much, but you know, a few taps in and it's just a nice flush, and it's one of those that actually works with like the redness that I already have in my face to not look weird. It just kind of makes it look okay. So this is the bronzer. This is, I think it's Palm Island is the name. Did I get that right? Yeah, Palm Island, the bamboo bronzer from Ciate. We got this, I think in an Ipsy a while ago. I've depotted it because it's a little easier to keep in here. As you can see, I've hit pan on it. I'm working on hitting side pan. I was able to hit pan on this because for a while I was also using it as a crease shade in my eye. This is too light for me. I really have to build it up. I am also wearing it today, but like, you can't really tell I'm wearing bronzer. It's fine now when I'm pale, but like, gosh, you just have to build it up so much. I mean, pro, you get to use a lot of it at once. Con, you're spending forever applying bronzer and you're like, I just want this to be like 2 seconds and be done. Like, I don't want it to take 100 years, you know? But it is. Okay, And then, okay, so this one is the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye that we got a while ago in a Sephora Play. This is in rose gold. I only have this much left. I've only been using it like as an inner corner highlight and putting a powder highlight on top. I don't know if you can see, but like I've actually made some pretty decent progress. I'm pretty happy with that, which I wasn't expecting to make it so quick because I've been using it on and off, but I've only been focusing on it pretty much since January. Here, the bottom line is where the container is, and then this top line is where I'm introducing it. So that's where it is. Next in here is this, what is it? Oh no, lipstick. Okay, so I'm planning to always have a lipstick in here. Hopefully they don't last more than 2-ish months. I still haven't made my makeup goals video. I think I might do that next week as well when I don't have a meeting in the afternoon. But I'm planning on using up as many of my mini lipsticks as I can. There's a hair in my face. And I count minis as like 1.5 grams and under. So the free ones that you get and like get to purchase type of minis, I'm going to try to use up hopefully a lot of them. I did a count. I have like 20 mini lipsticks. It's insane. They're all between like 1 gram and 1.5 grams, I think, or 1.7 some of them are, I think. Yeah, I'm just trying to finish them up. So this is Marc Jacobs Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. I did an Instagram post about this like yesterday, 2 days ago, one of those. I am nearly done. Like, I'm not even going to mark this on here because I'm planning on this being done probably in January. I'm going to put this on later. I'm wearing the next thing I'm going to show you in just a, or yeah, the next thing. We'll do it the next. So this I'm hoping to be done with very soon. It's nice, but you know, the more I use it, the less I want to buy it. When I'd only used it like twice, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy this as soon as I finish it up. And now that I'm getting close to finishing it up, I'm like, I could live without it. So maybe getting used out of these things will help me not buy more things. So the next thing is this Tarte Lip Surgeons in Flush, which is what I'm wearing. This is a lip tint. So again, it's still got most of it. It's still got most of the product that it came with. I've only used it a bit, not a ton. I like this. This isn't my favorite shade that I would repurchase. I got this, I think, in that Tarte bag that they do once or twice a year where you can get like 7 things for so much money. That was one of the things I picked. I think it was that. It's either that or the other one I have. And then I got that to make an order, free shipping, something like that. Anyway. Same thing. Here is the line where the plastic is. I couldn't quite get it to line up with the edge. And then this top line is where I am introducing it. So we shall see. We shall see how that goes. I'm planning on using that mostly in the mornings, like when I'm putting on my makeup, put this on so I've got something. You know, I kind of want more of a tinted lip balm type of thing, but this is a good way to use this up too. And while it's not my favorite color, like it's a lot more pink than I really kind of like these days, you know, it's fine. It'll come off soon enough anyway, and I'll put something else on. It's mostly just to use it up. And it's only 1 gram, so with using it at least once every day I put on makeup, it should be used up by the end of the year, right? Right. Okay, 3 things left. This is a lip scrub from Seraphine Botanicals. It's the Orange and Cream Lip Polish. We got this, I think, in an Ipsy. I say we. Why do I say we? I watch too many beauty gurus who say, we got this. And I'm like, well, I got this. Not we. Me. I. Anyway, I've been using the heck out of this because I want to use it up. I'm pretty close to hitting the bottom of the jar, you can see. I just really have to push myself to use a lip scrub. I also have one of the e.l.f. exfoliating sticks, which I might switch it in with this when I finish it. They do work, but I feel you can get the same effect if you use any cleanser on your face, you know, like, I don't know. And then, like, you gotta scoop it and then rub it and then stuff moves out, and I like the e.l.f. one. That one is more convenient when it's in a bullet like that. Anyway. This is where I've emptied. I had 2 of the, do I have some of them still? Yeah. So I had 2 of these little mini Laura Mercier translucent powders. And I emptied them into here because this is much easier to use it. I just kind of take my little brush, tap, 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 and apply. It takes a little longer to apply the powder than I would like, but you know, I've used a lot more than I would have thought. I've only been focusing on it really in January, and I'm surprisingly low. I mean, there wasn't a ton in here. It wasn't like, you know, it was up to here. It was like here, maybe, like the bottom bit of the jar, but you know, I'll keep track of this. I don't know how I'm really gonna track this. I guess just see like how much is left. There's not a lot left, so that's pretty cool. I could finish that up soon. I have too many powders. Ideally, I would have 2. 1 loose, 1 pressed, and that would be it. I'm also wearing that today. I'm wearing most of this today. The last thing is this Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Skin Tint. You can see how much I have here. There's an ounce. I've used quite a bit of it. I'm wearing it today. I thought I would love this when it first came out. I think I got mine on QVC or HSN, one of those. It comes with a brush. Don't like the brush it comes with. It's crap. When I use that brush, it like sits in my pores incredibly awkwardly. Like it just sinks into nothing. Like a lot stays on the brush, and then like all you see are my pores. I'm like, that's not how it's supposed to go. It's supposed to do the opposite of that. I thought this would be great because it's super light coverage and it's got skin benefits. And I'm like, yeah. And sunscreen. I'm like, this will be amazing. And then I tried it and I'm not impressed. When I use the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, I think that's what I'm using. I do get a bit more coverage, but with how it feels and how it looks on my face, I feel like I'm using some drugstore BB cream that's super, I mean, it's like water gel, whatever they want to call it. I don't know. Not my favorite thing, but I don't want to buy the BB cream that I want until at least this is gone. Just because I've had this longer. It's 18 months, so I've got at least, I don't know, have I had it a year? Have I had it almost a year? I've had it at least almost a year, if not like a year already. I think I got it, maybe I got it in February or March, one of those, of last year, of 2017. So it's coming up on a year, and I want to finish this year and get it gone. I was hoping this would be like amazing, and it's fine. I don't like how it sits on my face. I don't like applying things with brushes. They leave streaks everywhere. I don't know how people can quickly apply foundation with brushes and not have streaks all over their face. I've never been able to do that. Like, I have to apply it. Oh, there's streaks. Okay, pat, pat, pat. Now there's like stipple marks. Okay, swirl more. Okay, and then I oftentimes have to go over it with the Beauty Blender just to even everything out. I'm like, then why not just apply it with the Beauty Blender? But this doesn't apply well with fingers. It doesn't apply well with the Beauty Blender because it just like disappears. But it applies best with a stiffer brush, so I use that. And then it'll be gone. It'll be out of my life. I won't have to use it anymore. It's like really yellow and brightening, but then it blends into like not that much on the face. I don't know. It's weird. I want it out. It's gonna be gone. So I'm gonna try to update this every month, and then I'll be bringing in new things when I finish up old ones, and I'll keep you updated on my progress. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope this is fun. If you're doing something like this, let me know down below because I want to see what you work through. I love watching this kind of stuff. It's my favorite. It's like why I started doing a channel. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be nice to your cats. Make them love you because all cats should love people and all people should love cats. Okay, bye. Go pet a cat.